This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about knives, specifically these Sensei back of the house knives. It's an 8-piece knife set made of German steel with a HACCP protection system. And we're just going to run through the different knives that you'll get with this set. You have the 3.5-inch paring knife, the 6-inch boning knife. You'll also have a 6-inch flexible boning knife, which has some more give to that blade. An 8-inch offset bread knife, which is really fantastic, especially if you're going to be doing bread slices, since it puts your hand in the right position to slice all the way down, getting that nice clean finish and look to all those slices. There's an 11-inch slicing knife, a 7-inch santoku knife, and then we have both an 8-inch chef's knife and a 10-inch chef's knife as well. So while you can purchase this as the 8-piece set, all of these knives can also be purchased individually as well. Each knife is going to come with a set of 7 pins, and those are nice little color-coded pins that can be inserted into the handles. You can see there's a little spot there on each side, so you can insert one of those pairs, and that's going to be part of your HACCP color coding system. It's going to help keep things straight and organized in your kitchen. And you're going to have purple for allergens, red for raw meats, yellow for raw poultry, blue for raw fish, green for washed produce, white for dairy, and then black for ready-to-eat foods, meaning that you can ensure all these knives stay at the right stations and get returned to them after washing. And it's just a very easy way to color code and identify your tools and make sure your kitchen stays organized, clean, and safe. They're all made from excellent quality German steel and have a really fine edge for superior cutting. The handles feature an ergonomic design to make them really comfortable to use while working, and they've got that ideal balance and weight to them, making performing tasks really easy. And it's just a nice feel in the hand. It's a really nice grip, and it's very, very comfortable, meaning that if you're working long hours, it's going to be a lot easier on those hands. That quality craftsmanship can stand up to heavy use, making it ideal for professional chefs to use in a variety of different environments, or just for aspiring chefs at home looking for a really great set of knives so that they can work on their culinary skills.